So just taking a quick look at Dogecoin then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As always guys, before we begin, as you can see on screen, make sure you go down below and grab yourself some amazing deals from our partners. Tons of free money on offer, so sign up below and get involved with those. You can see the deals are right here. So Dogecoin here at the low of this range that we bounced at many times in this cycle. You can see ever since we got the tariff dump, Trump pump, tariff dump at the start of the year, putting in a very obvious range, test the high, the low, the low, the high, the low, the high, the high, the low, and now we're at the low again. Very simple. Bouncing out of this area as you would expect. This is the 0.38 Fibonacci level here. If you were not aware, I need to pull this Fibonacci in a little bit so I can actually see the... I need to be able to actually see the values on the side because they're so far away. So as you can see, at the 0.38 Fibonacci right now, bouncing out of this at the low of the range as you would expect. Getting into discount here and people averaging in for the long term. Sub 15 cents for Dogecoin looking very juicy for me personally because I think we're going to go to $1 at some point in the next few years. I know a lot of people probably don't think we're going to do that. But if you look at these impulses that we've had for Dogecoin to the upside recently over the past few years, I really do think that Dogecoin's got the potential to be getting up towards $1. That fabled $1 level everyone's been looking for. I think we'll get there eventually. But right now, Bitcoin doing its best to dump the markets. Bitcoin retracing because the Nasdaq's been retracing, as you can see. If you look at the hourly on the Nasdaq, moving very bearish recently. Huge 1,000 point moves to the downside. Quite consistently here, as you can see, moving in a very obvious bearish market structure. Lower lows and lower highs. And you can see right now, NQ or the Nasdaq or whatever you want to call it, come down, swept liquidity below these key levels here. And it'll be interesting to see if we bounce out of this area. Let me just look and see if there's actually... Is there a trade right now? I think you can see we've obviously come down. We've almost closed the weekly opening gap, as you can see. I thought we might get a little V shape out of here. But right now, Bitcoin's obviously moving quite highly correlated to that, as you would expect. Looking quite bearish as the whole market has been retracing. And right now, Bitcoin looking like, to be honest, it wants to complete at this low of 75k. We've been scything through so many big daily fair value gaps, as you can see. And Dogecoin basically just paying the price for this, retracing like the rest of the altcoin market. And we're still waiting for a bounce to the upside for Bitcoin. I think we'll get one eventually, but right now, it ain't happening. And we're going to have to wait and see how long it takes. Right now, Dogecoin just looking like basically it's at the bottom of this range and it's waiting for a sign of hope. As always, guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.